Hi, I'm Gary with TurboTech Computer Corporation. Welcome to our AI Tip of the Week. Over the next 6 months, I'm going to share simple, practical ways you can use AI to save time, improve productivity, and work smarter without needing to be a technology expert. Today's tip is simple. Think about one task you do over and over again every week. Maybe it's writing follow up emails, summarizing meeting notes, creating proposals, or organizing information. Open ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot and ask it one simple question. Give me 3 ways AI could help me do this task faster or more efficiently. You might be surprised by the ideas it gives you. The goal isn't to replace people, it's to eliminate repetitive work so you can spend more time growing your business and serving your customers. I've included the exact prompt in the post below, so give it a try this week. If you'd like to learn how AI can be introduced into your business safely and strategically, we'd be happy to help. Visit turbotechcomputer.com or give us a call at 603 666 3062. I'm Gary with TurboTech Computer Corporation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for another AI tip of the week.